सो घर वाले भी कहते हैं डूइंग वर्क अदरवाइज यू हैव नॉट गिव मनी फॉर योर education. So we are working here and we are irrigation in this field. I hope you can do better in your life and you can make better future. Hi everyone, I hope you are well. I am Sandeep and most welcome again at this YouTube channel officialEsandeep. I hope you are doing well and you want to who you want you would achieve in your life. I think that I am belong in village, so we are stand in on field. So today we are working, I means we irrigation, we are doing irrigation of my field. You can watch this pipe flowing water. So I want that and I want to do well in our life. I think that after some time I think what would I do better response of my work, what am I doing, because when we start something, when we do or when we speak, then we think that why people are criticizing to me. I think that what we want we achieve or we are wasting of my time. I think that if you are belong a village, so I think nowadays you are facing a lot of problem in this age. I want to do something better of my life and I want to achieve better and I want to do better, but how I can do, we don't know that who am I doing it is wrong or right, but we have to do better to me, because if you do your 100% for your work, I think that some result put out better in your life. You should not forget at this talk what people would think about to you and what are you thinking about him. I think that if you are focused at yourself and if you want to do better, then you have to ignore of people. You have not see people talk what people are saying front to you. I think that if you will want to do, if you want make better in your life, you have to face, you have to do struggle for your ambition, for your work. And I want to do better response of my work and I want to do, I don't know that. So after some time when I see someone as who are doing better to me, I think that why we are not getting that people. I think that it is our strength or it is our weakness, I don't know that, but if you do not aware for your, if you would not aware for your ambition, so you would not do in your life. If you know that, if you make ambition, if you make goal in your life, then you would know that where you have to go and how you open destiny in your life. I think that what you have to do, what you have to face and what you have to think about your ambition in your life, I think that you have to do something better, you have to gain something better of people and show yourself who are criticizing to you. I think that making ambition in our life, it is easy, but so you can watch in this video, it is my bicycle I have come and I hope you are well. So I think that making ambition in our life, it is easy, but when I think would I get who we want in our life, would I do better response of myself, I think that what we are doing and what we are going to do. So today we are going to show in this video who we are working. We are working irrigation of my field. I have to already said to you, but I don't know that. After some time I think that we have to, so in our mind come thoughts, we have to buy a car, everything in our life when we think, but we forget at this talk who am I. So I think that in our life we have to think it is easy, but we have to achieve, we have to go and reach there. It is so hard in our life. So we can think anything in our life, but we cannot gain everything who we want in our life. We have to focus of my work if we want to achieve something well, if we want to do better of myself. I think that who you want. So today I would show to you how we are spending village people life. So I am a worker. I think that I am working of my village. So we are come of my field and sugar cane. So you can watch in this video that is field of sugar cane. We are working, I mean we are irrigation in this field. We are doing irrigation in this field. You can watch in this video. And so we are saying it is easy to say who we want we cannot achieve, but we can think everything in our life. We cannot gain well. So I think that our face are coming black. So इतनी कड़कती धूप में इंसान सूखकर कांटा हो जाएगा. I think so. I think that it is so hard. So I hope you are well. So you can watch in this field we are stand who are doing irrigation of in this field. I don't know that in our life what would I achieve, but after some time I think that जीवन में सिर्फ हमारे एम्बिशन ही बड़े हैं, लेकिन लाइफ में सब काम जो है लेबर वाले हैं. You can watch in this video who we want. I don't know that we can achieve. After some time I think that we have to buy a car, we have to buy a Thar in our life, but we don't know that what would I can achieve in our life. So life में बड़े सपने देखना आसान है. It is easy to watch or making dream in our life. It is easy, but we have to achieving that life. It is so hard. We cannot gain better till that we would not focus of my work, till that we would not do of myself. I don't know that what we are going to do, what we want to achieve, but we have to do better. We have to improve myself. We have to gain better in our life. So I don't know that. You can watch in this field. So we have doing irrigation in this field. I hope you are getting watch better. So if you are watching at this channel first time guys, so please need your support. I hope you can support. कभी कभी गरीबों का भी भला कर दिया करो यार. क्या जाता है आप लोगों का. What go to your only एक सब्सक्राइबर एंड एक लाइक से. So I hope you will support me and you can gain better in your life. Make ambition in your life and get achieved. Without ambition your life is waste. So do focus at yourself and meet in the next video. So thank you guys. I think that life में सिर्फ सपने बड़े हैं और जो काम है हमारा सब लेबर वाले काम है. So आप देख सकते हैं in this video you can watch we are working in this field. So घर वाले भी कहते हैं doing work, otherwise you have not give money for your education. So we are working here. and be an irrigation in this field. I hope you can do better in your life and you can make better future. So in this village, people do work hard in his field, then they put up they then they put up the another field, because before they put out I means they put out, वो उतरते हैं अपने फील्ड में, इस फील्ड में देखिए, उसके बाद में they doing work hard and go for college make his future. So I hope you can do better. So it is not easy to see of compare of village people life and ये city who belong village. I think that when they go to success in his life, everything go to easy for himself. So I think that it is not easy, but I am stand, it is very hard. कड़कती धूप है और आई थिंक दैट ये जो शुगर कैन दिख रहा है आपको, ये भी एकदम सूखने लगा था, तो इंसान तो ऐसे सूख जाएगा. आई थिंक दैट we have to do better in our life and we have to make something better of myself. So if we want to do work of myself, we can do better response of my work. I hope you can do better and you can do better response for your ambition. So thank you guys for watching this video.